Hi folks, Wes at Lochmandy Chevrolet Buick. You know, we live in a great age when it comes to vehicles. They're safer, they're more fuel efficient, and they're more reliable than years past because of modern manufacturing methods. But the fact of the matter still remains that the average automobile has over 20,000 parts. And we never know which one of those parts might fail at any given time. And that's what our team is here for, to help you and keep your vehicle on the road. Take a look at what we found on this one. Sometimes, folks, it's pretty easy to figure out where we're going to start working on a vehicle. Where do you think we're going to start? Okay, folks, so the noise that you're hearing, we have an exhaust pipe that is broken free, and we have a catalytic converter that is broken up above. So we got a couple of items going on that we're going to be addressing on this today. So folks, here's a little footage of our senior certified technician Ben Middaugh at work in repairing the vehicle. He had to remove both pipes, converter, get the new parts in, adjust and align everything properly. Then, because we had a check engine light that was set as well, we had to clear codes and make sure everything was ready to go. And here you can see the finished product. So the question is, how did we do and how does it sound now? Hear that? Sounds just the way that it's supposed to. Another happy customer about to leave with their vehicle.